TonoLab IOP measurement in the conscious mouse and rat. The video was filmed for training purposes. In the following segment, we have invited Dr. Wanheng Wang, who is Principal Scientist at Alcon Research Limited, to demonstrate his procedure for the measurement of IOP in the conscious mouse using TonoLab. Equipment setup. The following equipment and conditions were utilized in this procedure: a lab bench, a ring stand, a 3-prong swivel clamp, a support jack, which is a platform of adjustable height, plastic decapicone, a tubing restrainer, a custom-made restrainer for mouse IOP measurement, TonoLab, quiet environment with good lighting. Although the TonoLab rebound tonometer is designed to be handheld, Dr. Wang found that in order to generate reproducible IOP readings, the tonometer needs to be steadied. He accomplishes this by fixing it to a ring stand with a 3-prong swivel clamp, making sure that the central groove is in a horizontal position. Load a new probe. Choose a calibration table for the mouse by following the instruction. Set a platform next to the TonoLab. IOP measurement in the mouse. Since the mouse is too small to be held securely by one hand, a special procedure is adopted for IOP measurement in the conscious mouse. First, the mouse is placed into a soft, clear plastic decapicone. To make the loading process safer and easier for the unacclimated mouse, one may gently pull the mouse by the tail into a tubing restrainer and then load the mouse into the decapicone. Make sure that the head of the mouse is placed outside of the small end of the decapicone and that the eyes are completely opened. If necessary, cut the breathing hole at the small end to accommodate the mouse's head size. The mouse will get acclimated in the process after a few rounds. After that, there is no need to use the tubing restrainer to load the mouse into the decapicone. Secure the mouse held in the decapicone onto a custom-made restrainer by tightening each Velcro. Make sure the eyes are completely open and easily accessible to the TonoLab probe by pushing the mouse forward and adjusting the tightness of the Velcro. The restrainer is then placed on the platform. Whiskers may need to be cut with a scissors because they often block the probe's access to the eye. After a few minutes of acclimation, the mouse usually appears calm and comfortable. One hand holds the restrainer at the rear and brings the mouse eye near the probe tip. Tilt the restrainer and adjust the height of the platform until the probe tip has a perfect alignment with the optical axis of the eye and can hit the very center of the cornea. The distance is about 2 to 3 millimeters from the probe tip to the surface of the cornea. IOP can then be measured by pressing the measurement button using the other hand. 6 measurements are made consecutively. Record the IOP reading in the display. Dr. Wang usually repeats the 6 measurement procedure 3 times for each eye. Because of the minimal force involved, topical anesthesia is not necessary. The mouse tolerates the equipment very well. In most cases, it doesn't even blink. To measure the IOP of the other eye, the mouse is simply repositioned and the measurement procedure repeated. Dr. Wang, what are the most important things you would like to emphasize for this procedure?
There are 4 key points for IOP measurement in either conscious mice and rats. 1. The mouse is in the calm state. 2. The eyes are completely open. 3. The probe tip must perpendicularly and exactly hit the center of cornea. 4. Keep a consistent measurement distance, 2 to 3 mm between the probe tip and the cornea. The procedure I just demonstrated here, I believe will help glaucoma researchers to get a quality IOP measurement in the conscious mice and rats.
Dr. Wang also pointed out that if the IOP reading is too high or its standard deviation is greater than normal, please wait a few minutes and let the mouse calm down and repeat the measurement. If the problem still persists, or the mouse is apparently agitated, return the mouse to an animal cage and redo the measurement later on. It's a good practice to acclimate mice in the measurement process a few rounds before starting a formal IOP study. After appropriate practice, one researcher can easily conduct the IOP measurements in 10 to 15 mice in an hour. IOP measurement in the rat. For the rat, a similar procedure is used. However, because of the larger body size, there's no need to use the restrainer for the IOP measurement. However, the rat may be placed into an unacclimated plastic decapicone for the IOP measurement. Set the TonoLab in rat calibration table by following the instruction. Cut whiskers with scissors if they block the probe's access to the eye. The rat is placed on the platform with its head gently secured between two fingers. Bring the rat eye near to the probe tip. Adjust the height of the platform and change the rat body posture until the probe tip can hit the very center of the cornea and is aligned with the optical axis of the eye. IOP measurements are then performed using the TonoLab.